The world of technology is constantly evolving, and as a result, there is an ever-increasing demand for tech support and related services. From computer repairs to network setups, from web services to smart home automation, there is no shortage of services required to keep our technology functioning at its best. In this essay, we will explore some of the most essential services in the world of tech support and how they benefit businesses and individuals. Computer software are just some of the services that are provided by tech support companies. Another important area of tech support is on-site support. This type of service involves a technician visiting the location where the issue is occurring to diagnose and resolve the problem. On-site support is particularly important for businesses. We do Canada Remote Tech Support for Apple software or MacBook or Windows laptop software, 3D CAD, construction. New creative project, invest on our project.